which we hope will materialize very soon in the near future. In this volatile regional and global scenario, Pakistan looks to Italy as an important country which, given its long diplomatic tradition, can play the role of a peace builder. Ladies and gentlemen, it's heartening to know that Pakistan and Italy have completed 75 long years of bilateral relations, and our ties continue to develop in the positive direction. I'm also very grateful to the Italian government because of the visit of your Interior Minister, who was here last month to sign an important bilateral MOU on migration and labor mobility, and the fact that the Honorable Minister for Interior from Italy chose to visit Pakistan despite the regional tension that was going on is a reflection of the strength of our bilateral relations. The political dialogue was held in February this year, and we look forward to hosting the next session of Pakistan-Italy Joint Economic Commission very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, Italy has remained an important partner of Pakistan in trade and commercial spheres, for which we are very grateful. It is satisfying to note that Pakistan-Italy bilateral trade has crossed the $1 billion mark. It is a matter of satisfaction that a number of Italian companies are now operating in Pakistan, and we're also very proud that we have a very big Pakistani diaspora residing in Italy, which has further strengthened the bonds between Italy and Pakistan. Italy has become an attractive destination in the European Union, especially for Pakistani students. An estimated 3,500 students are studying in Italy, mostly in La Sapienza University in Rome. Ladies and gentlemen, on this happy occasion, we wish to commend the untiring efforts of Ambassador Armelin and her team for strengthening the mutually beneficial relationship between Pakistan and Italy. And it gives me immense pleasure, and I'm also very happy, given that the buzz in the crowd and the amount of people that are present here, it shows your popularity, that this time you spent here, you've made a lot of good friends in Pakistan. At the end, I would wish you and the people of Italy a very happy National Day. Buona Giornata Nazionale.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।